Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good night in India. Yes. The NPC 2022 Pro Qualifier schedule is out. The link for the schedule I will put it in the description. So Rini has signed up for Arnold Classic in Columbus, Ohio in March. And
Before that, the another one is in Feb. That's the Columbia Pro Qualifier.
yeah, that's in 19 February, right? So she will be going for the pro card this year, and that target is to get the pro card by this year. So many of you have asked, how do we, both of us compete together with the kids and everyone and all the things going around, right? So it is not very hard, but obviously it is not very easy as well. We would agree to that.
With kids mainly.
Yeah, with kids mainly. So what we have realized in the last competition, which we did in Dubai, both of us, that both of us will not be able to do the competition together because it's too much for the kids. It is, however, what do you say? Like, जितना भी glamorous लगे contest में on shape देखने, I mean, you see it there, right? It looks glamorous, you are shredded, but it is not easy. And when both of us are competing, it is very hard on the kids. So we have decided, हम लोगों ने decide किया कि only one of us will compete at one time, not both of us, so that when one is preparing for the whole competition, the other one can take care of the kids and the household. It's a very selfish game, right? I mean, let's be very honest about it. When you are in a prep, you are doing cardios 2 times a day, you're working out, you are not probably in the right mood, right?
Yes.
And it is kind of really hard on the other members of the family. So from the last year, from 2020 itself, we have decided that we won't be competing together in the same time. So my idea is I'll be going through an off season with Patrick Tour.
Till I get the pro card, you will be on off season.
Hopefully you will get the pro card in
February,
March,
that I will get very soon.
and then you go on off season. I will go on prep.
Yes, true.
Good. So I will be on off season with Patrick Tour. Rini is already with James Team Atlas, one of the best bikini teams I have
really
personally
a
seen.
very good team. Really very good.
Yeah, so they are very meticulous. They pay attention to a lot of minor details, which is required when you're eyeing for that pro card, right? So our plan is to shoot the entire process of preparation of the contest prep. We will show how do we go about preparing our daily things, the kids, our life. Basically, we want to bring it forward to you that it is possible, even with kids, right? Most of us, we think that achhe yaar bacche ho gaye, kids are done, so kaise karenge? It is possible. In fact, you started very late, right? She started at 34.
I started on my first. I compete on 2019 December.
So that's 35 years. She started after 35 years on stage, and we had a big fight to put her on the stage because she was not convinced and she could do it. I had the belief that she could do it. She is very hard worker. Only some guidance was needed, right? So she did it in 35, and I officially started to compete in 36. Although I was working out, and then we did it with our kids. Our kids are 11 years and 7 years now. 2 girls. Back then they were 9 and 5 in UAE. So it is possible, and we want to show you it is possible. But Having said that, it is a teamwork. I mean, you will need to move out from your comfort zone. You will see in the contest prep towards the last 4 weeks, 2 weeks, it is really harsh, and you will feel like you're giving up. But then, you go through the motion, and we want to record it, to at least, if at all it can help you to work as a couple and meet your fitness goal. Not necessarily you need to be competing, but even to achieve a certain level of fitness, it is possible. Only thing is you need to work as a team. That is what we want to do. We will be shooting as an episode straight from, you are how many weeks out now?
Now it's 10 weeks and 13 weeks.
10 weeks for Colombia.
10 weeks, and Arnold
Again,
is
see, I mean,
6 weeks.
this is another interesting thing, right? I mean, I want to give a big shout out to Seru, because for me, we are outside India, and so one thing about this is, if you are an NRI, you cannot compete here in local shows. You will need a green card, or you will need to be an US citizen. Only shows you can do are the international shows.
Yeah.
Right? Mm-hmm. So we are traveling. When we were in UAE, we were traveling to Russia and different places to compete. So this shout out is to Seru, that he gave this platform to Indians in Bombay, which ended, I think, last weekend, and it was such a big expo,
and it's
such a big platform for the Indian athletes, right? I mean, it's a very costly. At the end of the day, it's a very, very costly game, right? You spend a lot of money. I'll give you an idea. If you're preparing for a show for 16 weeks, you will at least spend $10,000 US on the food and your supplements and your PEDs, etc. So that is a huge cost. And then if you have to travel out of your country to compete in different shows, which you don't even know whether you're going to win or know how many shows you need to do, it's a big hit on the pocket, right?
It's exactly a very expensive game. This is
very expensive. So you have a platform in India, you only spend on your food and your supplements, and then you compete. Your travel expense, your hotel stay, everything is safe, right? So this is why it's such a good platform. We wanted to go back in December to compete there. Last year.
That was in Delhi.
Yeah.
No, it's June.
Delhi was in July. Yeah. That got cancelled because of Corona. COVID, but
we were planning to go there to compete, but for COVID, it didn't happen.
Yeah. So, I mean, it's such a good platform, right? I mean, at some point, we would be going to India to compete there. But again, I mean, hats off to this guy to providing such a big platform to Indians out there. Okay. So that's the whole plan. As of now, my plan is to go through an off season up to March or April, and then coming July, when is the summer vacation, when we'll be visiting India. Of course, it will be 3 years now since we have not visited. We will be. That's my plan. On the way, maybe somewhere in Europe, we do compete. I'll select some shows. Somewhere in Spain or in Portugal, do the shows and then go to India. Okay, so my contest prep will be later then, but at least for the first starting phase of, so you will see my entire off season and the contest prep with one of the top coaches of the bodybuilding right now. Patrick is one of the top, right? And bikini wise, James is also undoubtedly one of the top. So you will see her own contest prep. So if at all it can help you in achieving your fitness goal, we will be more than happy to bring it to you, how we do it, how we do the contest prep, etc. And we will be shooting episode wise and showing you what we do, everything that is needs to be done. till the contest time. Okay, keep watching the channel and hit a like, subscribe if you feel this kind of content is what you want to see, or put in comments if you want us to shoot some other any other contents as well. Till then,
Wait. I want to add one more thing, that don't look too far, just do one day at a time. That's the
key. Yeah, that's true. Win the day, as Hunter Labrada says. We win one day at a time, so that we reach the end goal.
Yeah, we now stay light. After wake up in the morning, I just make my list that what I have to complete today, and then okay, cardio that's done, my workout done, my second time cardio done, meal preparation done. Once you do like this in a systematic way, it's very easy for you to follow.
So it is like
diet.
not even in the day, you do one task at a time, right? So small victory will give us the
Yes,
big victory.
big one.
All right.
Right.
See you guys. Bye.
Thank you.